Hiya, welcome back. I thought I'd make the most of the nice weather today and finish off the rear bumper. I've got some diffuser fins I'm going to fit, and then that'll finish that off nicely. Right, so these are the fins that I got off Amazon. I think I paid £14 for them. I was for them in a box. Got some screws and some double-sided tape, which is probably crap, but you know, they're only light anyway. I can't see them going anywhere. I'll put a bit of this on it, screw them in, and you'll see how it looks. If you watched the last video, you'll know that I fitted these rear extension things. I put carbon fibre underneath, and now we're just going to finish off and complete the look. Right, so that's that diffuser complete. I know it's hard to see in this light, but that's it done. And I reckon, to be honest, that looks quite aggressive. And so while I'm out here doing all my little videos, I've got these LED lights. I don't know how good they're going to be, but I'll show you before and after. I'll just put one in for now and turn them on, and you'll see them with these and with the standard ones. So you can do this one-handed. This is what they look like. These are just for the diving lights. Now you can find these on eBay and Amazon. Anyway, that sells cheap stuff really. So I'm going to fit one now and then I'll get on with the video. Right, so for anyone that doesn't know, the diving lights are actually, if you just look all the way up to the top of the light and then go down, just near enough where the bolt is, there's a thing under here that you twist and the lights just pop out. And they're not even attached, you can just take it away. Okay, so yeah, you can see a clear difference. Obviously the normal ones are just yellow, they're not very bright, but the new ones are just bright white. Yeah, the look flows better. I'm just going to get the other one fitted now. Okay, so that's both lights done now. Yeah, I think that's a big improvement, to be honest, because I didn't like the yellow on the original lights. But these are just nice. It looks a lot more modern. Okay, so the last job I want to do today is I've got this white pinstripe that I wanted to put on the black grille, just to finish it off. And then I think that's pretty much, well, apart from I want to surround for the indicators. Then that's that pretty much done. That's the outside of the car done. So that's the grille now. I was thinking just put the white pinstripe along the bottom edge here going up. I think it'll just finish that off nice. Okay there, so that's the pinstripe done on the grille now. I think it finishes it off nice. Just gives it a little bit of a different look. But I actually really like it. It's something I wanted to do for a while. Just let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching.